All right, so we try something else today. I think the plan is from yesterday to do a review of this instrument and some lines I draw in it. I had something recently has changed with my recording software, so yeah, we will do screen capture for now. Right, so this is Dax 40 and German index. Yeah. What do we have? We have before price coming up, higher, another even higher, even taking some power over here, creating even more power, going up, higher, 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 changing to down, coming back to the same level. We have some gap opening up even higher, and this is a long signal formation, and this is grabbing whatever is there, and overnight here, narrow range. And you have at, let's see, yeah, this green bar 0800, that is Euro FX when the volume comes there, and the red bar, thick bar red down, is CFD open, Dax 40 open. So the big bar is where we start. Anyway, so we have the power from here. So I'm going to go through some ideas with this. So overnight, Japan, open right. So things feels like we're picking up, right? So the idea over here is we got some volume picking up even higher. So we verify with this bar, so circle with dash, that okay, power is up from here. This is reserve level. Now going even higher, this is equal high to this as well, by the way, orange, so high. Come back down again. We should find something interesting here, right? Something here should be interesting, and we do find something within the blue box. And what do we find? First of all, breaking Harami formation, another one, not really Harami, not really whatever. Then we have gap with price reacting up, interesting. And again, price falls down, another Harami breaking formation, and a nice pin. Notice pin is outside of blue box. Blue box is aligned to this low on this bar, right? They are all beneath the level. So I'll do it, make it obvious. Pins are above this, grabbing below, but yeah, so it's telling me, okay, first trade, this one placed here after this bar, like this, right? So this trade, green denotes a gap in price on this chart, and so we have the high, double high previously, and we come back up to it again. Initially this trade didn't have a target because no real target, right? So long signal from the pin, right, at the level that created power up, okay, pin. So this is level 1, this is the previous one, this is also previous one. So for this example I select this as stop. That's my blue arrow. Pin sweep with gap, pin sweep with gap. Okay, now later on what happens? Price comes up to the level, I draw the orange box. I can now do 2 circles and the dash, and like, okay, it's double top again. Okay, cool. Moving stop to here. At that point, stop is like, stop was 30, then stop is certainly 14, let's say. Yeah, and then what happens later? Another time price comes again to the high, right? Same double, triple tops, even 4, but 3, yeah. So next time triple tops, again the same rule, touch the highs, wants to go back to the lows, right? So the stop needs to be protected. That's why we need to protect this level. Stop goes to here, stop is in profit. Now again, price falls down, and I'm not picking up any trades here because the only interesting, like, price needs to go climb higher, and then we can come back and pick up more power. If we don't go higher, why should I buy more, right? So the idea is like this. Okay, I'm just gonna check that on some of my other screens I have. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. And I also have got a few positions running right now. All right, we're back. So again, triple top. Now fourth time. These two also double top. This now look at the double lines. So stop goes to here. This is the last level of power because we came to the high, double high. We came this low between these two, right? So this is the strong level. Price goes to here. I don't know how much. It's looks like 29, maybe 28 points, whatever. So 28 points the trade collects. Later on, whatever, can be here, and then we break it, not with this bar, not with these, and this is not a long signal because this is not higher and this is not really nothing. Gaps down, maybe pick it up here, but no. Then later on it happens, this red bar, this one, I think. Yeah, might be different on whatever your broker, but here. So 15:30, that is first hour of New York or Chicago, depending on time zone. The volume comes in from US, right? And we break down and we switch to the other side. That's why. Circle with dash. So at that point, circle with dash, power is now from here to down. Okay. And we go down, come back up again. There are some nice trades in here. I'm not touching that, but from this level, from the gap created, what the energy is left from creating power down should be this. Now it's yellow box, but whatever. Let's go blue box. So it should be power in this area because that's above the break. And from the power level, and I know, yes, power from this, we break, we have power to the highs, but look at the action within here, this changes direction. Anyway, so we're looking at power down from the blue level, and the trade is there, the stop is above, right, with the whatever, and we're targeting not the lick, but we're targeting next level as per usual, because we didn't touch it, which is supposed to go here, and this is the next trade. So if you want to look into this, now this is a 5-minute chart. If you want to look on 1 minute, you will see something up, down, down. That's the formation. Up, down, right? That is inside of here. And we can make it even more obvious if you don't see it. Up, down, it goes further and then it destroys, but still you see it, right? Okay, so that's the reason, that's the internal structure, internal direct, I don't know the really name for it, concept I figured for myself. I just call it direct price. Anyway, so yeah, if this was a layered, a double time approach, it would be in here, and but it's visible for me, and that's the low, and then some things happened, and then we have the funny gap, and yes, I was short the cable, and yeah, that's another story. But for today the video is this chart, how I thought the trades. There are 2 trades, and yeah, this instrument I don't trade during. We can now remove the things. I'll show you. Let's see. I think there's nothing here. Okay, there's nothing here. So this instrument I do not trade during this time zone normally. Well, of course I could, but I don't really. So yeah, 21. I like this. This blue box is an area of time where I trade something else, but not this. And during the blue area here, we have power down, and yes, we could grab some on a retrace here, probably on a faster time frame to target this with a small stop, yes. And we could go down and we probably change direction here, and we go up and we probably go up again with a small retrace and pick it up to go back to the highs here, probably. But that's not what this video is about. But you can see in the bars and the colors, it's there. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this one video. Yeah, I'll see about the OBS. It's very strange. Yeah, if you learned something, or if you like the video, and if you have questions, post your questions. I'll see you in the markets.